Corn has hijacked your brain. Do you ever feel like your brain isn't yours anymore? Like no matter how hard you try, you can't escape the urge, the scrolling, the late night habits, the just one more time lie. That's not discipline. That's not choice. That's addiction. And for millions of men across the US, corn has silently hijacked the brain. Think about it. One random Instagram post, one ad, one picture of a stranger, and suddenly your mind is flooded with thoughts you never asked for. It's not you. It's the wiring. Porn has trained your brain like a lab rat, chasing dopamine, chasing novelty, chasing nothing. And while your brain chases pixels, your focus dies. Your energy drains. Your confidence around real people shrinks. You think you're choosing, but the truth is, it's choosing for you. But here's the good news. If your brain can be hijacked, it can also be reclaimed. And it starts today. Before I show you exactly how, make sure you're following the truth, because I drop content every day that exposes what's really holding men back and how to break free. Now let's get into it. Step 1. Purge your inputs. Cut out everything that feeds lust. Unfollow, block, delete. You can't heal if you're still feeding poison. Step 2. Retrain your focus. 5 minutes a day. Just sit, breathe, and pull your mind back when it drifts. That tiny discipline rewires your brain's control center. Step 3. Anchor your goals. Write down one thing you want more than that 5-second high. Your strength, your freedom, your future. Look at it when temptation hits. Do this and the fog lifts. The cravings lose power. And for the first time in years, you'll feel like you're finally in control of your own mind.